What's happening, you guys? Photo Dead 92. We back with another badass video. Man, we got Tanner right here in front of me on that video, making that content, baby. We got that R6. Yes, sir. That Panigale V4SP2, baby. Check out that forged carbon on that thing, though. That don't do no justice at all. Then y'all know we got my CBR1000RR. My boy Tanner, Willie Hut Jr., baby. Y'all see, Fast Lane D's in the building. He gonna change so we can get out and hit these streets of Nashville. We gonna cut up. Supposed to be meeting up with, kicking it with Kudas also on his Honda CBR1000RR. Look at that boy Tanner clowning. Got Fast Lane D in the building. Let's hit that dry start. A dry clutch start. Look at that forged carbon though. Look at this guy. My dog. Hey, tell him for the camera. What? Who's your favorite college football team? Who's your favorite college football team?
Alabama, baby, Rollin.
Y'all know, Roll Tide, baby. Y'all know, they about to get gapped on the duck. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe to my channel, man. Moto_Dad92. We're gonna have a lot more of this content coming up. But boy, these bikes are looking sexy. Oh yeah. We got Moto Dad out here.
Banger in the helmet right now.
Yeah? Yeah?
Let's get this cold start going fast.
Y'all see it firsthand, baby. First time ever seen a duck like this in person. Gas Fast Lane Gang tags. Yes, sir. My boy. They come out on a Sunday just for us, man. Just for this channel, baby. Oh Lord. Look at that arrow with that dry clutch, baby. Yes, sir. Check that cold start going. That bike is massive, boy. Look at that. Kicking on both sides. Yes, sir. Carbon wheels. Tell you what, that man does everything pristine, like a chef's kiss. Yes, sir. Never. Look at that. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Tell you what. Both of them, look.
Wait till it puts it in gear. Hey, you gotta put it in gear.
Hey.
Put it in gear and let it be.
Wait, what?
Yeah, put it in gear.
Put it in gear.
Let all 4 of them go.
That's so the Ducatis only got 2 cylinders running while it's idling in neutral. We about to hear it maxed out, baby. He said let it warm up and then it's gonna get a little louder. Yes, sir. Just look at it though. Just look at it. Just look at it. Look at the bluing on that thing. Man. Just look at all the carbon in the light. That forged carbon just is there. It's all there. This man spares no expense whatsoever to any of his 3 bikes. The Ninja H2, the V4SP2, and his R1M. None. Just look at him, look. Grade A. Yes, sir. Look. The best of the best on everything. Olin's performance shocks, Brembo brakes. We got Kudas in the building, boy.
Hey, when you gonna start a channel, bro? Yeah. I came up spur the temp was really supposed to be it.
So here's the thing. Here's the thing, guys. I hear so much BS talking between all them and Kudas. They make Kudas look bad, man.
Man got subs, don't even post or video. He just be on there talking about shouting it out on Facebook. They over there. Alright, I'll subscribe. Hell yeah, I can't wait to see some Kudas videos.
Nah, you don't see nothing. Kudas ain't got nothing.
Hey, check out the gloves.
Alright, y'all leaving the gas station. We're gonna meet up with somebody else. Not sure who it is, but it don't matter to me. Kudas clowning. Yes, sir. Hey. Yes, sir. Like that, so they always riding back here, so yes, sir. Picking up the duck with no problem. What is going on now? What is the deal? Let's go see.